and good morning, my little pumpkins. How are you all? I hope you all are having a good time with your parents at your home. Do you know, children, there is a virus outside the home. So stay at home to save yourself from the virus. And you should often wash your hands. Clean, clean, clean your hands. Clean, clean, clean your hands. Play a healthy game. Rub a scrub a scrub a dub till the germs fall down the drain. Yes, let's sing a song. There are many things I can do all by myself. There are many things I can do all by myself. I can comb my hair and lace my shoe. I can comb my hair and lace my shoe all by myself. There are many things I can do all by myself. I can wash my hands and wash my face all by myself. I can wash my hands and wash my face all by myself. There are many things I can do all by myself. There are many things I can do all by myself. I can put my toys and blocks in place all by myself. I can put my toys and blocks in place all by myself. There are many things I can do all by myself. There are many things I can do all by myself. Revision of alphabet. Capital A, small a. Capital B, small b. Capital C, small c. Capital D, small d. Capital E, small e. Capital F, small f. Capital G, small g. Capital H, small h. Capital I, small I. Capital J, small j. Capital K, small k. Capital L, small l. Capital M, small m. Capital N, small n. Capital O, small o. Capital P, small p. Capital Q, small q. Capital R, small r. Capital S, small s. Capital T, small t. Capital U, small u. Capital V, small v. Capital W, small w. Capital X, small x. Capital Y, small y. Capital Z, small z. Ma'am will tell you a wonderful story. The Cap Seller and the Monkeys. Long time ago, a cap seller was going to the market to sell his caps. एक दिन एक टोपियों का व्यापारी अपनी टोपियां बेचने के लिए मार्केट जा रहा था. The basket of cap was heavy. He felt tired and decided to rest for some time. He put his basket on the ground and slept under a shaded tree. उसका टोपियों भरा बास्केट बहुत ही भारी था. उसकी वजह से वो थक गया था. उसने सोचा कि चलो ना मैं थोड़ी देर आराम कर लेता हूँ. तो उसने अपनी टोपियों भरा बास्केट नीचे रखा और एक बड़े से पेड़ के नीचे वो थोड़ी देर के लिए सो गया. Many monkeys lived on that tree. They opened the bundle and put the caps on their heads. One by one, all the monkeys had a cap. पता है बच्चों, वो पेड़ के ऊपर बहुत सारे बंदर रहते थे. उन्होंने क्या किया, वो पेड़ पर से नीचे उतरे और टोपियां बेचने वाले के पास जो टोपियों भरा बास्केट था उसमें से टोपियां ली और अपने सिर पर पहन के पेड़ पर चले गए. When the cap seller woke up, he saw the empty basket. जब टोपियों बेचने वाला उठा तो उसने देखा, अरे मेरा टोपियों का बास्केट तो बिल्कुल खाली है. He became very sad. वो बहुत ही दुखी हो गया. He searched for the missing caps. वो अपनी टोपियां ढूंढने लगा. By chance, he looked up and saw the monkeys sitting on the branches of the tree. उसने अचानक से ऊपर देखा तो उसने देखा कि पेड़ पर तो बहुत सारे बंदर बैठे हैं और उन सभी ने उसकी टोपियां पहनी हुई है. All were wearing caps. सभी बंदर ने टोपियां पहनी हुई थी. He tried many ways to recover the caps but did not succeed. उसने बहुत कोशिश की कि वो बंदर से अपनी टोपियां वापस ले, परंतु बंदर ने उसकी टोपियां वापस नहीं दी. He knew that monkeys imitate very well. उसको अच्छी तरह से पता था कि बंदर तो नकल करने में होशियार होते हैं. He hit upon a plan. He threw his own cap on the ground. उसने एक तरकीब सोची और उसने अपनी पहनी हुई टोपी नीचे जमीन पर फेंक दी. The monkeys imitated by throwing their caps on the ground. तो फिर ये देख के सब बंदर ने भी जो टोपियां पहनी थी वो निकाल कर जमीन पर फेंक दी. Happily the cap seller collected his cap, tied them in the bundle and made his way for the market. कैप सेलर तो बहुत खुश हो गया और उसने सभी टोपियां ले ली और बास्केट में रख दी और वो टोपियां बेचने के लिए आगे चला गया. Do you know what is the moral of the story? बच्चों, हमें ये कहानी में से क्या सीख मिलती है? हमें हमारी बुद्धि का उपयोग करना चाहिए. Let's see the solution of the worksheet. See my worksheet, children. I have joined the dots from A to Z and colored my worksheet it very nicely. I hope you all have done it nicely. Children, I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye-bye. Have a nice day. See you soon.